and welcome to this segment of Nā Pāka Hale. I'm Shana Macadangdang, Recreation Director for Stevenson Recreation Center.
And I'm Mike O'Reilly, the Recreational Director at Makiki District Park.
Today, we will be showing you how to construct a salt dough ornament. For those of you who took part in our Makiki Kaliki Maka Holiday Craft Take It Make It, you may use this as an instructional video. Basic supplies were provided to you in your holiday bag.
For those of you who did not participate, not to worry, we are going to show you how to make salt dough ornaments using items that you may already have at home.
First, we will go over a list of supplies you will need for this project. First, we recommend a surface covering such as plastic tablecloth, newspaper, or butcher paper. This will protect your working surface and ensure for easy cleanup. Next, you will need a large mixing bowl and mixing spoon, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of table salt, and 1/4 cup of cool tap water. Next, you will need a sheet of wax paper or parchment paper, a straw or toothpick for your ornament hole, a cookie cutter. If you do not have cookie cutters, you may use a printed template cut out, a rolling pin. If a rolling pin is not available, you may use a large glass jar or large can of soup. Then you will need a paint and paintbrush. We recommend acrylic paint or tempera paint. And lastly, you will need a ribbon to hang your ornament. Take a moment to set up your workspace. When you are ready, to the bowl, you will add half a cup of flour, 1/4 cup salt, and gradually pour in 1/4 cup of cool tap water. Continue mixing until ingredients are well incorporated. Dough may appear a bit crumbly, so kneading it by hand will ensure that all ingredients are well incorporated. When the contents are well incorporated, you will want to dump them out onto your wax paper or parchment sheet. Keep kneading until the dough becomes the same consistency as Play-Doh. Once the dough has reached its consistency, using a rolling pin, you will want to roll it out and even it out. No rolling pin? No problem. Use a large jar or large soup can. When rolling out your dough, ensure you don't roll it too thin, as this will cause cracking or breaking during the drying stage. Once you have a smooth surface to work with, you will want to place your printed template onto your dough and using a butter knife or craft knife, cut out your design. If you are using a cookie cutter, you will want to gently push down on the dough. Once your shape is stamped into your dough, gently remove the excess dough before removing your cookie cutter. Now, using a paintbrush dipped in water, lightly brush the edges. This ensures a cleaned, finished look and avoids any sharp edges after drying. Next, you will want to use a straw. The straw will be punching a hole in your ornament to hang your ribbon. Keep in mind this hole is where you will be securing your ribbon after the drying stage. Now you may begin adding dough embellishments. You do not want to add any types of other decorations at this time. Keep in mind when adding dough decorations, you can adhere it to your punch out by using a little bit of water and a paintbrush. Once your ornament is fully decorated with your dough embellishments, you may transfer this onto a cookie sheet for drying. There are two options for drying. There is the air dry process, which takes 2 to 3 days, depending on the moisture and humidity in the air. If you opt to air dry, leave your ornament out on the wax paper at room temperature. After 1 day, flip it over to ensure even drying. Your ornament will show a white dusted color once it is thoroughly dried. If you opt to bake dry, you will want to preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Transfer your parchment paper and cookie cutout to the oven and bake at 300 degrees for 1 to 1.5 hours or until thoroughly dried. It will turn a light brownish color. Once your ornament is thoroughly dry, you may begin decorating. At this time, you may paint, hot glue on different types of embellishments, add your ribbon, and voila, you are done. We hope you've enjoyed this segment of Nā Pāka Maka Hale's Salt Door Ornament. We thank you for watching. From our part, Ohana, to yours, have a safe and happy holiday. Aloha.